Imagine finding a single penny in your pocket that is worth more than a luxury mansion. Today, we are diving into the most legendary error in the history of the United States Mint, the 1943 copper Lincoln cent. While billions of steel pennies were struck during World War II, a handful of copper planchets were accidentally left in the bins. This mistake created a coin so rare that even the most elite billionaires struggled to find one for their collections. One of these specimens recently shattered records, selling for a staggering $1.7 million at auction. In this comprehensive 10-minute masterclass, we will show you the exact scientific tests you must perform to verify if you have found a genuine 1943 copper rarity. But first, you need to understand the historical accident that made this coin possible. Stay with us as we reveal the secret history. To understand the value, we must understand the history. In 1943, the United States was in the heat of World War II. Copper was a strategic metal needed for ammunition. To conserve it, the U.S. Mint switched to zinc-coated steel for all pennies. These steelies are common, but by a technical anomaly, roughly 40 copper blanks remained in the machines. When the 1943 dies struck these leftover copper planchets, a financial legend was born. For decades, the Mint denied these existed until collectors proved them wrong. This scarcity is what drives the massive demand among high-net-worth investors today. However, owning one is only half the battle. Knowing if it's real is where the true challenge begins. Coming up next, the simplest test that could prove your coin is worth a fortune. The first tool in your arsenal is a simple magnet. Because 1943 pennies were supposed to be steel, a genuine common one will stick to a magnet instantly. But if yours does not stick, you might be holding a $1 million asset. Be warned, the market is flooded with copper-plated fakes. Scammers take steel pennies and plate them to deceive buyers. Look at this PCGS certified specimen. Notice how the texture differs from a mushy counterfeit. If your coin passes the magnet test, do not celebrate just yet. There is a technical weight requirement that almost every fake coin fails to meet. And we are revealing that exact number right now. Precision is the hallmark of a professional investor. A standard 1943 steel penny weighs 2.7 grams. However, a genuine 1943 copper penny must weigh 3.1 grams. Even a deviation of 0.1 grams is the difference between a $1 million find and a worthless altered coin. On your screen is a high-precision scale analysis. Notice how that 3.1 gram mark is the definitive buy signal for global auction houses. If you are hunting at estate sales, always carry a calibrated scale. Data is king, and weight is your first step toward a massive payday. But even if the weight is perfect, there is a specific letter on the coin that reveals even more about its rarity. Let's look at the mint marks. 1943 copper pennies were struck in Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. The Denver Mint specimen, the 1943D, is the rarest unicorn in numismatics. For years, only one was known to exist, and its auction price became a global headline. Look at this D mint mark under PCGS TrueView. It must be perfectly integrated into the coin's field. If it looks glued on or has a halo effect, it is a fake. Professional collectors spend years studying these die varieties because one tiny letter can add hundreds of thousands to the value. But beyond the mint mark, there is a specific color that investors pay a massive premium for, and you need to know what to look for. In the coin market, color is currency. For a 1943 copper penny, the red RD designation is the ultimate goal. Copper turns brown over time, but a coin that retains its original mint luster and is graded as MS63 red is worth a staggering amount more than a brown specimen. The price gap can be $500,000. Collectors call this eye appeal, and for an investor, it is a key liquidity factor. A vibrant red coin will always sell faster at heritage auctions. But there is one specific mint location that produced a coin so rare, it is treated like a Picasso painting. We're heading to San Francisco next. The 1943 copper penny is a prize every billionaire collector wants. What makes the S mint mark so special is the unique die characteristics of that era. These coins have a distinct sheen compared to Philadelphia strikes. On your screen is a certified 1943 S that sold for over $500,000. Look at the sharpness of Lincoln's hair and the wheat stalks on the back. When a coin reaches this level, it transcends traditional banking and becomes a store of value. It's a hard asset that outperforms almost everything else. But just how much has the value grown? Let's look at the shocking auction data. Let's talk about ROI. The price history of the 1943 copper cent is staggering, often outperforming the S&P 500. Looking at PCGS auction prices realized, we see a clear trend. 200,000 in the 90s, 500,000 in the 2000s, and now hitting the $1 million range. This growth is driven by wealth concentration and global demand for finite resources. Even a circulated, lower-grade version could secure your financial future for decades. But you cannot just sell this on eBay. There is a professional protocol you must follow to get these prices, and we are showing you exactly how to do it. If you find this penny, do not clean it. The most critical step is professional authentication. You must secure the coin in a PVC-free flip and contact PCGS or NGC for an express submission. They will use X-ray fluorescence to verify the metal composition. This scientific proof is what gives the coin its slabbed value. Without it, it's just a story. With it, it's $1 million asset. We are showing the submission form now. This is the path from a lucky find to a life-changing auction. But what does the future hold for this market? Let's look at the final verdict. The world of rare coins is more vibrant than ever. The digital age has increased the value of these physical rarities. Whether you are a casual hunter or a serious investor, the 1943 copper cent is the ultimate dream. Check your old family collections and always keep a magnet handy. You never know when you might strike copper gold. Thank you for joining this deep dive. If you want more high-value investment tips, make sure to like and subscribe. Your support helps us bring you the data you need to succeed. Until next time, keep hunting and watch your change closely.